Stop buying fire starters and make your own with ingredients you have in the house. And the first thing you're going to need is a cardboard egg carton. Don't use plastic or foam egg cartons. It has to be a cardboard egg carton. Next up, you're going to go up to your dryer and remove all the lint that has been captured. Now, this has been over a number of days. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this lint and stuff each egg cup with it. Next up, you're going to need a candle. There are many ways to do this. You can take all your leftover candles and melt them down in an old pot. But I'm only doing 4 egg cups here, so I don't need that much. Now with the candle lit, the wax will start to drip because I've got it on an angle here. And I'm just going to go over and cover as much of the top of the lint as possible with the candle wax. I chose to use a white candle here, so I'm going to switch this over to a red candle just to show you what it looks like with all the wax on top. When you're doing this, make sure that you don't get the flame too close to the lint or it will catch on fire. You can see here the red wax that we're dropping this on top of the lint. And we're just going to cover this as much as possible. It's kind of difficult when you're dripping it like this. So if you melt it in a old pot, it's much easier just to pour this on top than do it this way. So let's speed it up to get these completed. There we have it. We've got our fire starters ready to use. Now all you need to do is pull 1 or 2 of these off, put them in the bottom of your fire and use them as you would any other fire starter. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check out some of my other content, you should watch this video over here.